and welcome to the last video of this video series where we're covering what the heck Azure Serverless hack. We are wrapping up, and just as a summary, we used a bunch of his vehicle photos, got uploaded to Azure Blob Storage, and then Event Grid would send those photos to Azure Functions to process with Computer Vision API. If those were successfully processed, then we would save that Cosmos DB with a function. If we weren't able to detect the correct data from the photos, we had another function that would mark them for review, and again, that data was exported to Cosmos DB. We had a logic app running every 15 minutes to export license plate data, or if there was nothing new to export, it would send a notification saying that the export is empty, and the CSV export file was being stored to a storage account as well. We used Key Vault to secretly store all of our secrets, and we use application insights to monitor the functions in real time. And we learned a lot about functions. We learned about a bunch of different services in Azure. We saw the scaling abilities of Azure Functions as well. And thank you so much for being part of this. Again, my name is Gwyn, Cloud Developer Advocate here at Microsoft, and it has been my absolute joy to walk through this hack with all of you. Additional resources will be linked in the description. And if you are watching this during Serverless September and you've completed this, you have the option to be listed in our Hall of Fame. Instructions for that will also be in the description. If you're not watching this during Serverless September, totally fine. You've completed the hack. You've got something to showcase on your GitHub. You've got something to showcase on your resume. And more resources for you to take your serverless learnings even further will be in the description as well. If you want to get in touch with me, have any questions, those links will also be in the description. It's been an absolute blast. I hope you continue your serverless learnings. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next one.